Hello students, in our earlier videos we have learned about finding the adjoint of a matrix and the determinant of a matrix. By using the adjoint and determinant of a matrix, we can find out the inverse of the matrix. But this method is inverse of the matrix by using determinant method. Earlier we have done a method to find the inverse of the matrix by elementary operation. Elementary operation generally we use when it is given that find the inverse by using elementary operation. Otherwise, normally we perform this method of determining to find the inverse of a matrix. Here we have to find out inverse of this matrix. So first we have to find out adjoint of A. Normally we find out the adjoint by finding out the cofactors of the matrix. But here, since it is a 2 by 2 ordered matrix, so we have a shortcut to write the adjoint of the matrix. In that shortcut, we interchange these two elements. It means we have to write this 3 here and 2 here. And we will change the sign of these two elements. Since here it is minus 2, we will write plus 2. Here it is 4, we will write minus 4. This is adjoint of A. Now we find out determinant of A. Determinant of A is 2 into 3, that is 6, minus 4 into minus 2. 4 into minus 2 is minus 8. We write minus 8 here, so it becomes plus. 8 plus 6 equal to 14. A inverse equal to 1 upon determinant of A into adjoint of A. It is the formula to write the A inverse. 1 upon determinant of A is 14. Adjoint of A is this one, 3, 2, minus 4, 2. This is the value of A inverse we have obtained. Now this time we will find out the inverse of a 3 by 3 order matrix. To find out the inverse of this 3 by 3 order matrix, first we write adjoint of A. To write adjoint of A, we write the minors of all these elements. For this, first of all, minor of this. Minor of this means leave this row, column and this row. To find out minor of this element, we have to leave this row and this column. Remaining 4 elements are this one. Multiply this with this, that is 4. It is 4. Then minus sign, multiply this with this, that is 1. 4 minus 1 is 3. So write here 3. It is minor. Now minor of this one, leave this row, first row and this column. When we leave this, we get this and this. Multiply this with this one. Minus 2, minus sign. Multiply this with this one, that is minus 1. So here it is plus 1. Minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. Now for this one, multiply this and this, that is 1. Minus sign, multiply these two, that is 2. 1 minus 2 is minus 1. Now for this one, leave this column and the second row. First column and second row we have to leave. So it is minus 1 into 2 minus 2. Minus sign. Minus 1 into 1 is plus 1. Minus 1 into 1. Minus 1. And minus was already here. So it is plus. Minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. Then for this one, leave the second row and second column. 2 into 2, 4, minus sign, 1 into 1, 1, 4 minus 1 is 3. For this one, Leave this row and this column. 2 into minus 1 is minus 2, then minus sign. This one is minus 1, so here plus. Minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. Now for this one, leave this first column and the third row now. So it is minus 1 into minus 1 is plus 1, minus sign. 2 into 1 is 2, 1 minus 2 is minus 1. Now for this one, 2 into minus 1, that is minus 2, minus sign. This into this, that is minus 1. Here we write minus 1 means here plus. Minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. Now for this one, 2 into 2, 4. Minus, this into this is plus 1. 4 minus 1 is 3. So here it is 3. Now this is I have written all the minors here. In these minors, if we change the sign of these, 1, 2, 3 and 4, we have to change the sign of this one and this one. Then these all becomes cofactors. Here it is plus, 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 plus. Now all these are the cofactors. Transpose of this will be adjoint of A. Now we are doing transpose. Convert this first column into first row, second column into second row, and this third column into third row. This is adjoint of A. Now we have to find out determinant of A. For finding out determinant of A also, we are using a shortcut method here. Use first row of matrix A and first column of adjoint A and multiply these. 2 into 3. 2 into 3 is 6 plus sign. Next element of this and here from the column. 1 into minus 1 is minus 1 plus next element of this into this. 1 into minus 1 is minus 1. We have to take first row from here, first column from the adjoint of A. When we multiply and add them, we get determinant of A. So here it is 6 minus 1, 5 minus 1, 4. A inverse equal to 1 upon determinant of A. Determinant of A is 4. Here we have to write adjoint of A. Adjoint of A is this one. 3, 1, minus 1, 1, 3, 1, minus 1, 1 and 3. This is our A inverse.